In this video, I'll guide you through how to transfer an IRA or 401k to SoFi Invest. Whether you're looking to consolidate your retirement savings or take advantage of SoFi's investment options, this process is straightforward and easy to follow. Let's dive right in. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is download the SoFi app from either the App Store or the Google Play Store. Once you have the app installed, log in to your existing account. If you're new to SoFi, you'll need to sign up and complete your profile. The app will guide you through the sign-up process, and you'll be ready to go in no time. For those interested in transferring an IRA, head over to the Invest section within the app. If you haven't already opened a SoFi IRA account, now is the time to do so. You can choose from a traditional IRA, a Roth IRA, or a SEP IRA based on your financial goals and needs. Once your IRA account is set up, look for the option to transfer an existing account and initiate a transfer request. You'll need to input the details of your current IRA provider, so have that information handy. The app will then walk you through the steps to complete the transfer process. If you're planning to transfer a 401k, you'll need to contact your current 401k provider. Ask them to initiate a rollover to SoFi Invest. They might offer you two options, a direct rollover or an indirect rollover. A direct rollover is typically more straightforward, as it involves the funds being transferred directly to SoFi without you having to handle the money. Follow the instructions your provider gives you and make sure to complete any necessary verification steps. Once you've submitted all the required information and forms, all that's left to do is wait. The transfer process can take a little time, depending on how quickly your current provider processes the request. Keep an eye on your SoFi Invest account, and soon enough, you'll see your funds appear. And that's it. That's how to transfer an IRA or 401k to SoFi Invest. It's a simple process when you know the steps, and now you're set up to manage your investments all in one place. Thanks for watching, and happy investing.